Welcome. If you're looking to enable notification sounds for when a viewer joins your Discord server using Discord Web on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps so you never miss a moment when someone new hops into your server. Let's get started. First, open up Discord directly from your browser. No need to download anything extra. Just head to the Discord website and log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your user settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications tab on the left-hand side. Click on Notifications to open up all the options related to alerts and sounds. This is where you can customize how Discord keeps you informed about what's happening in your server. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Sounds. Here, you'll see a list of different notification sounds you can turn on or off depending on your preferences. Look for the option called Viewer Join. This is the new feature that lets you hear a sound every time someone joins your server. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to Viewer Join so it turns on. That's it. From now on, whenever a viewer joins your server, you'll hear a notification sound, making it easier to keep track of new arrivals without constantly watching your screen. Remember, you can always come back to this menu to adjust your notification sounds if you ever want to change things up. Enabling viewer join notifications is a great way to stay connected with your community and make sure you never miss a new member. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. See you next time.